Yo, what's up guys? Today's video we're gonna make a helicopter Lego helicopter. Okay, let's go guys. Let's go make it. Guys. Oh yeah. The foundation. Okay, put this one right there. Small box. Right there. Okay. Don't need this. We're gonna to make it stronger. We need these blocks, so we have to put under them. Have to go under to put these blocks. Right here. That's what I'm showing to you. So this helicopter doesn't break and it's so sturdy. Okay guys?
Every day prevents dandruff and toothache from coming back. So you're up to 100% dandruff free every day.
Okay, let's go.
Head and shoulders.
You have to make a wall first. Okay? More blocks. Okay. Oh man, our wall is full. It's okay. You have to set it. Good. Okay, let's go, guys. It doesn't line up. Oh, right. Have to make it longer. But how? I'm thinking, guys. Don't worry. Oh, yeah. Oh, right. Yes. We don't have spare parts, but we have these before. Please don't. I'm working on it. Thank you. Oh, it's not sturdy. It's kind of like a trend. I saw it in my dress. Okay, sturdy. I have done my coolest idea ever. First, we have to put this block right here. And I know it. I'm gonna show you later. For the end of this video because it's too difficult to assemble it again. Okay guys, let's go. No. How do we make this? I have a plan, but we have a plan. Oh, fast. Oh, hi, Baladi. First, we have to put this box in here. Open the hole. Yo, let's go! That's a fun, we're gonna use this box. And put blocks right here. Put some blocks right here. That's like this way. Oh man, it broke again. That's alright. I think it's fast. Guys, this is too difficult. Show you guys. If we use that, wait guys,
Napakarami na po, halos araw-araw na lumalabas sa mga naging informasyon tungkol sa isa pa din na nasa ibang bansa at sa matas. So here, kita na naman na upos ng malis ng bansa. So, of course, to be the subject of scrutiny, it's not the first time, of course. Pero syempre nakakasagot because sometimes people that shouldn't scandals like this, they forget what you've done for your career and hard work. But everyone is open to their own opinions. I respect constructive criticism, but there is a limit in terms of recognition and intentionally trying to just take your career out of your hands. Pero hindi ko alam dito sa natin. Tapos alam ko rin, nalalabas ko ng patutang. I think I
sa kanyang social media post, si Robin Gasa nagdamit kung Torino ang ginawa din na pagkakain ng libel case laban sa kanya. Maaari daw ma-convert sa kanya ang issue. Malayo sa issue nito sa nireklamong driver. Pinakitilan din ang parapat ng driver. Para sa GMA Integrated News, Oscar Oida, nakatuto, 24 oras.
Let's go! We made it! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! There. Now we last time. I'm so happy. This is what you do. Turn it around. Turn it around. It doesn't break. We have something brilliant. Yeah. Oh God, let's go! These things are This one too. Hold on. You can see now. This is a big helicopter. It took a long time, but we made it, people. Let's go! This is the end of the video. Bye, guys.